template file, and before banner ID you are writing the animation. CSS animation for banner 5. Next, after this, how to write the animation that start from @keyframes. @keyframes. @keyframes is the reserved keyword. Using this @keyframes, we can create the animation. So @keyframes. After that, name of the animation. For example, we'll give the animation name my banner. Then again curly bracket, open and close. Okay, so this animation is created. In this animation, we have to do some functionality. Now come down. First, link this animation to your banner. So you will go to the banner and you will write here animation colon name of animation. Just add here, link here, my banner with banner. So animation you created, and that animation you are linking with the banner. Linking is done. Now linking is done, then what you want to do in animation, we have to write in my banner. Okay, we have to write in my banner. Next, coming down, what should be the duration of animation? For how long animation should happen, we have to write in the target where we are calling the animation. Property name is called animation hyphen duration. Animation hyphen duration. Animation hyphen duration 10 second. 10s. 10 second. 10 second. So now animation will call and animation will be working only for 10 seconds. Now in that 10 second, what you want to do? We have to, in the 10 second, what we want to do? In that 10 second, what we want to do, we'll do here. So first, how to create animation with the help of keyframes. And then name of animation. How to call the animation? Animation colon name of the animation. After that, how long the animation should be there? So for that, we have to use animation hyphen duration, and then it should be in second. Now what you want to do in animation? Let's go up. When 25% of time, 25% of 10 second will get finished, then background hyphen image, we will change to 2.jpg. background hyphen image will change to 2.jpg. Background hyphen image will change to 2.jpg when after 25 second of 10 second. So total 10 second it will break into 4 part, then 25 seconds will be 25% will be 2.5 second. So first 2.5 second will be 1.jpg. After 2.5 second 2.jpg will come. That is after 25%. Again, once 50% time will get finished, once 50% of 10 second will get finished, the photo will change to 3.jpg. And again, when 75% time of 10 second will get finished, 75% of time in 10 second will get finished, that is 7.25 second. Then 7.5 second. After 7.5 second, it will convert into 4.jpg. And once it will reach again 100%, like once the 10% will get finished, 10 second, again it will go to the default one, 1.jpg. So for 100%, no need to write anything. Once it will reach 100%, then 1.jpg will come the default photo. Now in your current folder, internal folder, you need to have 4 photos, 2.jpg, 3.jpg, 4.jpg. 1, 2, 3, 4 photos should be there. If it is a PNG, change to PNG. If it is a JPG, change to JPG. Save now. Let us check once. We can see this photo should change on every 2.5 seconds. But only one time it will happen. All the photo will change only one time. We have not given the loop. We are given only for the duration. After writing this, you will come below and you will write the loop, how many time it should happen. So now it is happened only one time. Next we have to write how many time the animation should call. You wrote here, yes, animation has to call. Once it will call, it will be for the 10 second. In 10 second, what should happen? Photo should change 4 times, 3 times from here and 1 time here, 4 times. But how many time it should call, you have not written. How many time it should call, you have not written. You have to write here animation hyphen iteration. Animation hyphen iteration hyphen count. Animation iteration count ITRA. Iteration hyphen count. If you write 2, then 2 time animation will happen. 3 means 3 time will happen. We have another word called infinite. 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 Represent like it will not stop. It will keep going on. Unlimited time it will happen. Okay, infinite represent it will not stop. Many times.
क्लास के चलছে
Check now. Animation is calling. Photo is changing. It should go infinite. Something like this. It will not stop. It keeps changing automatically. Right? This become called as a animation. Check now. Let me know also in the chat. It's working for how many people? I will share you this complete code, including banner and animation. Okay, so working for everyone. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For few people, no answer. Even I send you the code. Please check it. You can replace the code also if any error. Okay, next after this we need to work on next template. Okay, next template will help us to implement text. You can't change text, you cannot change text, you can animate text, you can change the font size, you can change something, but text you cannot change. Font size of the text we can change like this. We can go here, font hyphen size. Suppose by default 90 pixel here given, make 40 pixel. In the second, make as a 60 pixel. 60 pixel. Then you can make as a 70 or 80 px, and then you can by default will be 90 px. So this will look like your photo is doing zoom in zoom out. As per the image change, for text will zoom in zoom out. Okay, hope you added the font size. Check now. This will happen. Photo will change, font size will increase. Something like this. We can go for the next example. Okay, so next example will be related to or in this file, one more point you can add, it will be helpful. What is that? You have added here in the beginning, that is called position fixed, the navigation, right? You can see position is fixed, top navigation position is fixed, right? So we will add one more property called position sticky. Position sticky. What is that? Come to this file, template 5. Template 5, and after animation you can add it. After animation you can add it. After banner. After banner, you can add one more section. In that you add ID equal to helpline. ID equal to helpline. Help desk. This much. In this section, we will use another property, position sticky. Position sticky. Now come to the CSS again. This helpline, how it's appear a text here, normal text. They will make it more attractive using CSS. So go up under the CSS part. As helpline. Inside that, write padding for this helpline 30 pixel maybe. Background change to dark blue. Color should be white color. Font size 50 pixel. Text align should be center. Text align center. You will see it will come like in dark blue background. Text will be written number, that will be in the big font size, something like this. Check it, helpline is coming. Now that helpline, we will make position sticky. Position sticky. Okay. What that sticky represent? Sticky represent like when you will scroll up down, sticky position will get applied. So you can see now inside the browser, when we are scrolling up down, when we are doing like this, the helpline is also going inside. Helpline is also getting hide. What we want, when you scroll down and help desk block, as soon as it will touch the navigation like this, the help desk number should become fixed. The help desk number should become fixed here. It should not go up down. Then only this content should go up down. It should become fixed. That is called a sticky top. What we will do for that? You will write here position sticky, position sticky position sticky when if top have the gap of 100 px. From top, if there will be gap of 100 pixel, then only the position sticky will apply. From top, if there is a gap of 100 pixel, then only the position sticky will get applied. Position sticky will get applied. Now let's see what we'll do for that. Go to the browser, refresh the page and scroll down. See, become fixed. Navigation is not, this helpline number is not going up. We have to reduce little more. 100 we are given, we need to make 50. Change to 50. Save it. And then see. This is okay. When it's going up, it will become fixed as soon as it touches the upper portion. You can see when the gap from top is 50 pixel, then this help desk number will become fixed number. That is called position sticky. Position sticky. So hope working for all. Helpline CSS I will share you. In chat. So helpline CSS is sent in your chat. Okay, so this template is ready. Next we'll work for the next example that will be related to icons. Like suppose you see on internet, or maybe if I open my notepad plus plus here, you can see very good icons are there where I am moving the mouse. Close all, printer, cut, paste. This can you see this type of icons. Or let me show you some other icons. You can see these icons. These all are not photo. These all are called icons. Icons. So how to implement these icons? We have something. We'll implement it. So connect your laptop with internet. If you are logging in mobile, Connect your laptop with internet. After connecting, open this file, or hold on, before doing that, before implementing the icon, because icon is the external CSS. It will not be as a internal. It will be a separate CSS file and separate HTML file. First, we should know what is external CSS and how we can use it. Then we can go for the icon. Okay, then we can go for the icon. So let's come to our next file. So 5 types of template we created, different design plus many other property also you follow. Now go for the next file. Under the external CSS you will create. You have external CSS here. Under the external CSS you will create the next file. Okay, in case if you have not created the folder, you will create a folder called external CSS. External CSS. Create the next file, style.css. Style.css under the external CSS folder. File name as a style.css. 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 One file. In this CSS file, let's write few lines for body tag. So this becomes a separate CSS file. Benefit we are going to come to know. Separate CSS file, in that only you will add the CSS code. You will not open the style tag. You will not close the style tag, because this file itself is a CSS file. This file is CSS file. So in this file, you will not do any open and close of any type of style tag. Directly you will write the CSS code. So style tag open, style tag close. No open close. In this body tag, directly you write margin 0 pixel, no any gap from any side. Now for h1 tag, you will add some CSS again. Font size 70 pixel and color red color. Font size 70 pixel, color red color. Okay, so hope ready. Save this file. Text align you can write. Text align center. So this CSS file you can call in multiple HTML file. Suppose in your project you have 10 HTML file. You don't have to write the CSS again and again. Same CSS file you will call everywhere. Same CSS file you will call everywhere. That is called as a external CSS. CSS code will be one time and HTML file will be many. Everywhere will call the same CSS. Save it. After that, create a file called home.html in the same external folder only. Create a file home.html in the same external folder, external CSS folder. Home.html. Everyone is writing home.html. Now in home.html file, you will not write the CSS. CSS file is already created. That CSS file we need to link with the home.html file. Since HTML file is separate and CSS file is separate, we require to link the file HTML to CSS. How to do that? Go to the home.html file, follow the head tag, and under the head tag, you will write a link tag. Link tag is especially used to link HTML file with CSS. CSS file is separate, HTML file is separate. You require to link both the file together. So in that case, you will use the tag called link tag. It has a property called rel. Using rel property, we are going to inform to our compiler saying like the file we are going to link, that file is a style set. The file we are going to link, the file will be a style set. So link rel equal to a style set. So this explain the type of the file, what type of file you are going to link. Next, after that, href will come. Using that, you will refer where is that file. So the file is in the same folder. You will write simple here, style.css. Style.css. Okay, hope wrote it. Now come down, open the body tag, but make sure your both the file is in one folder, external CSS. Write the h1, welcome home, save it, run the file, check the H1 is coming in the red color, big font size. Save the file and check once. See, H1 is coming in the red color with the big font size. So we'll run it and we'll have a look here like this. You can see welcome home is coming, big font size. It represent okay. It represent that both the files are linking properly. What about others? Happening for all. Before H1, follow now again UL tag and follow the li tag. Write a href equal to home.html. You will write here call home. One more li you will write here. About.html. About us. Next will be called contact.html. Contact us. Next will be next will be next will be next will be something login.html. We can write here called login. Next we will keep here called register.html. Sign up you can add. Next you can add after contact you can add one more link called service. Our services. Our services. Check now. Link will be there. Okay, hope link is ready. Now, if we run the file, link will also be there. But first our target will be, we will create this all the files, and in all the files, the link will be remain same. CSS file also remain same. The content of H1 will get changed. The content of H1 will get changed. Remaining all will be same. After that, we'll understand really CSS. If you are writing external CSS, it will be one to many. Write once and use many times. External CSS. Okay, write once and use many times. So this file is ready. Now you will create next file called about. Exact same content you copy paste. Home and about. Complete same content you copy and paste in about file. File name will be about. We'll add here call about us. About us. Okay, hope your two files are ready. Now in home file as well as about file. In home file as well as about file. In both the file, same CSS is working. You can navigate and see. CSS is same. Click on the link, home and about, home and about. You will see the CSS code is same. File is different. Same CSS is reflecting both the places. Why? Because same CSS we are calling. If we do the changes in one file, it will reflect in both the file. If we do the changes in one file, style.css, it will reflect in the home also and about also. That is called a one-to-many. Write once the CSS code in one file, and how many HTML you have called everywhere, output remains same output will get applied all the places. Okay, both file is working. Now we can do some changes in the CSS file, and then we'll see really that is reflecting in both the file or not. In home and about, same CSS is getting applied or not. Let me share you this. All the content of about, same content is copy paste in home also. Only the changes is H1. Only the changes of H1 you have to do, the remaining are same. Okay, so working. Now come to the CSS file. You have given the color as a red, one place. We'll change to green. For H1 you have given the color as a red, change to green and then see how it is. Color was red, change to green and check once. In home also as well as about also. In both the files, it will convert into which color? Green color. In home as well as about, in both the files, it will convert into green color. You see here, home and about, both the places, it is coming in which color? Right? It's coming in green color. That is called one to many. Write once and use many times. Next, we'll write the CSS for UL tag. The UL tag you have written in home and about. For UL tag, we can write some CSS. Dixit, you are in the laptop now. Joining. In Zoom, when we send the file, if you are logging in the laptop, then you will get the files. Zoom will not display the file in mobile. If you are logging in the mobile, Zoom will not display in mobile. It will display the files in the laptop if you are logging in the laptop. Let's go write the CSS for UL tag. UL open and close. In the UL tag, okay. Next, after this, you will write for UL tag background of UL any color, blue color or black color, any color, whichever you want. Next, after that, put display flex, then margin in UL 0 pixel. Dixit, you are in the okay, or I'll send you the files in WhatsApp after the class. Next, after that, You will have the li that should be display line already you did. Now one more property you need to write here, list hyphen style hyphen type colon none. What it is, usually in the li tag by default dots will come, that you are already aware of. By default dots will come in li. When we use the li, by default dots will come. To remove the dots, we are using here call list style type none. If you write a square symbol will come. If you write disk symbol will come. If you write none, none of the symbol will come. ULLI. Next, after that, padding from top 18 px, from left right 40 px, from bottom 18 px. Short code says like in one line you can mention all the direction. So from top we are saying li take the 18 pixel, left right take the 40 pixel, bottom take the 18 px. Coming down, under the ul we have the li. Under the li we have a tag. Their color should be white color. Their color should be white color. Check now. Hope you are getting the link in both the file, in home also and about also. Something like this. Then the underline is coming. We can remove from here. Text decoration none we can do. And we can increase little font size. Font size somewhere 20 pixel. So font will become little big size and will be like this. Home and about both the link will work properly. CSS is only one place. HTML you wrote total 2 place. Check once. Okay, next after this, come down, write the next UL space li colon hover background change to blue color, background colon blue. When the mouse will go to the li, background will be blue color and cursor will convert into again pointer. Cursor will convert into pointer. Save now. Let's look like this. When cursor is going here, it is showing like as a pointer. And background is getting changed. Another feature we can apply, like suppose we are in the about us page. So about should be active like this. About should show by default is a blue color. So it will not happen automatically. We have to write a class for that or ID. As active. Create a ID called active. Under the active ID, you can put background as a blue by default and using exclamation important, you can set higher priority so that wherever we call the active ID, that li must be in the blue color. So active background blue exclamation important will help you to set the higher priority. It will help you to set the higher priority. Okay, hope done. Now come to the first in home file. In home file, the first li will have a id equal to active. Active. In home file, first li id will be active because first li is representing to home. If you go to home page, home menu should be active. Home menu should be active in home file. Next, after that, same id you will apply in the about file to the about link. That is called second li. In about file, you will apply for the second li. In the home file, you apply for the first li. Let us check now. See, in about file, about is active. If I go to home file, home will be active. Right? Hope it looks similar for all. Okay, then again, we'll see you tomorrow. We'll complete these pages and we will use the link icon also. We will download the icon and we'll use here. For every link, there will be icon. For every link, there will be icon. Okay, so I'll send you this file in WhatsApp also. You can use it.
Sir, why we wrote important for active ID?
To set higher priority. Other places you have written here. See, this without important also it will work. But what is the question is, suppose this is the UL and LI. In LI, if it is written background is a orange. In LI, if background is written as a orange, and for all the LI, and one place you are trying to change as a blue, so what system will understand whether apply orange or blue? So in that case, we said wherever we call the active ID for li, if any other color is as a background, override that with the blue color using which higher priority. That represent through the exclamation important. That is the meaning of important. It's at higher priority. If any background color will be there, that will get replaced by blue. or not only for background, only any property that you are going to override, you can use this property called exclamation important. Okay, to set the higher priority for a particular property. Okay, then see you tomorrow again.